Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. This is the April 2005. Had a vacation last week, so we didn't post any videos last week, and really nothing going on at all. Not many opportunities at all, believe it or not. So let's go for this week's opportunities and be ready for next week. We got a lot of opportunities next week. It's the first sign that we're seeing a lot of TNTs next week for things to move. So the market should start to move next week, which it hasn't really been doing that much at all. But still, great results. Not many trades, which you kind of expect in a high volatile market environment. But we did get about, 7 winners, 0 break even, and 0 losses. So not bad at all. So here's pound USD. Has a shade, so this was high probability trending. You had MCK. This one here was profitable too. CNP. A lot of these stocks especially are good because they didn't have earnings, but notice earnings are coming up very fast here. CNP, this is another good one. We had a couple of future trades here too. This is here, soybean oil here, broke out here, so that was good, bullish. EXC. This was bullish. The favorite one here is Kroger. This was bullish here. And then you had another future trade. This is no shade here. So we had to wait for a drawdown to happen. And then I did, and then come up here. This is more counter trend. So it's okay. Soybean meal here. But I definitely like this one here, soybean oil, which is a lot better on the future side. You had one future, one currency, and a couple of stocks here that looked really ideal to take and move forward with. So the results for this week are basically, as I mentioned, 7 winners, 0 losses, 0 break even. So it was a good week here. Not many trades, especially with a short trading week and so forth. But that's about it. But stay tuned for next week because there's tons and tons of TNTs across the board. So there's high probability the markets will move. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Please like and share the video. Thank you.